This, guys, is an amazing package. Of course, before we open that up, we gotta get the knife. Wait, in order to open that up, we gotta get the knife. Does it make you guys kind of anxious that I'm just waving this knife around? Actually, I should unsheath this properly. All right, so today we have a very special sneaker. Ugh, damn, my man Rami taped this up real nice. Sorry, I didn't finish my sentence because I was distracted by the amazing tape on this package. Sneaker unboxing, that's what we're here for. I probably should be careful on this next part. As you guys can see, right there is the delicious little tag. You have this little see-through clear part on the box. You have this cool like metal band inspired writing right here. And here you have Cactus Jack. Low key, this colorway would be fucking sick as a shoe. I'm just gonna say that right now. Travis, if you wanna use that as a colorway in the future, this like nice little, almost like egg batter or like freaking butterscotch cream yellow right here with this beautiful blue. Actually, you know what? Instead of opening it like this, I'm going to open these up, put these things on, and then I'm gonna take them and get some opinions, and then we're gonna talk about how these compare to the other Travis Scotts that have released in the past. Let's get to it. Oh, and by the way, make sure you smash that like button. I just left the courthouse and that was really confusing. I just don't like the doors because the doors say push, but then when you get closer, they open. So it's like, do I push or do I just let them open? I don't know what you want me to do. But that being said, I'm currently contesting a parking ticket that I do not deserve. However, the reason I'm recording this little segment right here is I'm gonna get some people's opinions of these Travis Scotts compared to the other Travis Scotts, because I feel like everyone can agree that the last Travis Scotts that have been released are undeniably fire. Amazing. They don't really do anything too experimental, and I feel like these might have some differing opinions. I love them. I think they're dope. They kind of remind me of like What the Dunks, but that's just me. Back at my old campus. I just graduated here last year, actually. Also, CJ, if you're watching this, you are a bitch because my legs are really sore from yesterday's workout. Anyways, the reason I'm here is because I need to get something printed. Then I gotta go meet up with Lo. Man, it's been a while since he's been on the channel.
What's going on, man?
Today, I want to get your opinions of these shoes right here, first of all.
Okay. I like them. As a matter of fact, those are dope. Was that corduroy?
Yeah, so I actually asked him to get his opinions of the Travis Scott sneakers, and when he went in, Travis Scott didn't even have a sneaker. But these are the other ones, though. Look at these ones. What do you think of these ones?
So these are his. Can't go wrong with these.
Which ones you like better?
I ain't gonna lie, bro. These are like, those are nice for like certain occasions, but these right here look like these are just iced out or something. Them right there more look like I'm in the hood or, you know, I'm gonna go run an errand.
Go run an errand.
These right here look like, are these a grill? You got grills on these shoes too?
Oh, yeah, exactly, yeah.
These are iced out. What's this?
That's the StockX tag right there.
Okay, I've never seen those either. I've seen a commercial for StockX.
Oh, did you?
That's all you get is commercials.
Yeah. Oh, you got that in
That's what
prison?
you live off.
That's, so wait, you got the StockX commercial in prison? That's crazy. I gotta show you the Jordan 1s real quick. Hold up.
Okay.
All right, so these are the Jordan 1s.
Are these his too?
Yep.
Oh man, cut it down. Oh, that's tight, bro. With the backwards Nike.
Yeah, Travis Scott's been killing it, man. He just made some 6s too. Those are the only ones I do not have though. The suede, like this brown suede, like it photographs so nicely too. It just looks hella good. All right, look, the whole gang pulled up, guys. Biggest Travis Scott fan in the world right here. What do you think of these new ones though?
You got those?
You don't like them?
No, nigga, I love those. I didn't know you got those, bro. Nigga, come here.
You like them?
Those are hard, bro.
You like them with the cover or without the cover?
With the cover.
With the cover?
It's different.
My boy Kais, he put it so he put the laces over the cover.
You get 'em?
Nah, that's not gonna happen. Yeah, these go crazy though. I actually think I like these ones a lot, but these ones I feel like are more wearable. What do you think your favorite pair is?
What?
Which one you like better, Lo?
As far as those knees?
Or these ones right here?
I'm more of a turf duck, so I rock them. I'm more of a turf duck. More of a turf duck.
You're a B-word.
I'm a what?
B-word.
B-word. Hey, Zakari. Hey, get off your phone. Which ones you like better?
I didn't know he was recording. I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't like none of them.
You don't like any of them?
I mean, they cool, but that's not my style.
Those are your style?
Yeah, I'm casual.
You'll wear these. We're tight.
Nah, I really wouldn't wear those. I ain't gonna lie to you. This is not on no hater shit.
You see, I'm not gonna lie. This is more me too.
You got a lot
This
of
is more me
fans,
too.
bro. You got a lot of fans.
No,
This is
I
not on no
don't.
hater shit. It's just not my taste.
You just don't like Travis Scott.
No, I love Travis. I got a friend that looks like Travis.
All right, so I had to leave my friends real quick because I am late to an appointment. Hopefully it'll all be okay. I just have some swelling and fluid behind my retina. I talked about it a little bit on my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, of course, change your life. Go follow me on Instagram. That's at the Starlife, THESTARRLIFE. Come on, let's go.
And I hope you know I'm not ruining your day. You know I'm too special for you.
Hey, there you go. What do you think of these shoes though, brother?
Those are elite.
Hey, you. Hey.
Bro, chill.
What do you think of these shoes right here, bro?
What the fuck, they're bitch match?
What do you think? What do you think?
Is there something I'm supposed to get?
What do you think of them, bro?
They're weird because I don't like the
You don't like
shoelaces
them?
with the
So you don't like
leather
Travis Scott? Oh, you just don't like that was covered.
Yeah,
I can take that one off too, but you just don't.
hard,
You do like him?
I like the jeans.
You only like him because I said Travis Scott. You only like him because I said Travis Scott. You said, oh, those are Travis's? Those are kind of fire, actually. I like those now. Okay, so. Bless me and bless you too. Okay, so let me just. There we go. We did it. I really want to say like, what is up, YouTube? What is up? But it's like already halfway through the video. So I'm gonna go over the shoes. I'm gonna talk about some of the other shoes that Travis Scott has released. But of course, the main attraction are these beautiful things right here. Now, if you look throughout the entire shoe, there are different panels to the shoe, and it looks like there's actually writing. It looks like there are little segments that have writing from the Cactus Jack records, which is actually this right here. And that says Cactus Jack in Russian, by the way. My friend Ray Vaughn actually hit up this Russian girl that he knew to verify that. Then you have like the little Cactus Jack cross right here. You have that same panel in different colors right here. You have that like metal font that they use right there and there. So all these different panels have different logos from Travis Scott. Not to mention the panels that do not have some kind of print or design on them are usually different fabrics. So you have this corduroy panel, you have this kind of rough suede panel, a canvas panel, leather toe. You even have this little button on the back. It says TX, which I'm assuming is for Texas. The colors are extremely weird because there's like navy blue and these earth tone like butterscotch brown, this yellow, and then out of nowhere, if you look really closely, you can see kind of like this faded mint color, and that actually bleeds through to the threading around the midsole. Then you have like the freaking gum bottoms, kind of like a cream midsole. All the colors and different designs or different patterns on this shoe make it super unique. Now, yes, I was rocking it with one lace cover, one not lace cover. I think I do like it without the lace cover, but even when you look under the lace cover, you see the tongue has a flannel or tartan pattern, and then even the lace holes are like rough suede on the bottom and then more of like a tumbled leather up top. It's just so unique how this is kind of like a what the dunk, but an Air Force, like what the Air Force, like a Travis Scott what the Air Force. The inside swoosh is camo, the outside swoosh is this earth tone brown. And honestly, a part of me wants to say that it doesn't match, but it does. Like, oddly enough, it all goes really quite well together. Also, just to give you an idea of that mint color, it's literally this exact same color. Extremely odd. Now, the pants that I was wearing with these, I love the camos with them. These are camos from Minimal. Also, the Noah patchwork pants that I copped a while ago go absolutely perfect with these. It literally looks like they were meant to go with this shoe. A lot of similar colors, and obviously the corduroy detailing literally looks like it came with the shoe. If you would like to see a fit pic of these and how these actually go with the Noah pants, I am going to include some footage, but also, you already know, go follow your boy on Instagram, the Starlife, THESTARRLIFE. I'm definitely rocking more of these Travis Scott, like Frankenstein-esque Air Forces. This corduroy upper reminds me of my childhood when my dad wasn't there. All these colors are just crazy. The mint green, the lavender purple, the butterscotch browns, the freaking keep it crip and cut navy, like all these colors. The fact that he was able to make this shoe and it actually goes, in my opinion, quite well together is kind of a shock. If Travis Scott actually designed that sneaker, my man's got an extremely chaotic mind. Which is interesting because I feel like the previous iterations of his shoes, his earlier shoe releases, are actually not that chaotic. So for example, you have these right here. These are the Air Forces that he originally did. These are in the sail color, so it has this all canvas upper, super clean. You do have this like chrome Nike swoosh that you can actually take off because it's Velcro. You have these other little lace covers right here. I kind of wonder what it would look like if I use these lace covers on that shoe. That actually might look kind of sick, I'm not gonna lie. But of course, this one has two different lace covers, so you have the Cactus Jack little face right there with the Cactus Jack cross right there. I've only worn these one time. Super cool shoes, but I'm not going to lie to you. It is definitely scary wearing these because I just feel like any little mess up will destroy these things. They're super clean. You have a little backwards swoosh on the back right there and on the front of the tongue or the top of the tongue. And I know a lot of people were actually rocking these swooshes backwards, which is, I kind of wonder if that's what gave him the idea for the Travis ones. Because honestly, I like the Air Forces a lot better, but I will say the Travis Scott ones seem to be his most hyped shoe yet. I know he dropped the Travis Scott 6s, which are the only ones that I don't have. I like 6s, I just don't know how I like 6s on me. He dropped those in like an army olive color. Ooh, oh my goodness. By the way, my man Chris Matante posted a fire picture of Offset wearing the unreleased yellow colorway of that shoe. So freaking sexy. If you guys want to see that, of course, go follow my man Chris Matante on Instagram. But anyways, getting back to these. This is his most recent shoe. Well, not his most recent, sorry. The Travis Scott 6s are most recent, but this is his most hyped shoe for sure. The Travis Scott ones, you have this mocha brown color and it's like this really nice premium suede. You have the Travis Scott face just kind of stamped on the back right there. And then the obviously like most apparent thing about this shoe is the backwards swoosh. A lot of people were inspired to do this to other shoes. A lot of fakes of this shoe have been made as well. This is definitely a popular shoe. One thing to pay attention to is right here on the inside. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but you'll see like a little, why are you texting me? Despicable. Anyways, like I was saying, you'll see like a little white on white little Cactus Jack cross right there on the inside. Another cool feature is the stash pocket right here. The fact that he's adding these little pockets are kind of cool. Like the Travis Scott 6s, how he took the bubble on the side and turned it into a pocket. Like all these little details, I'm not gonna lie to you, I genuinely feel like my man Travis Scott is killing it. When it comes to the shoe designs, like he deserves the hype. I feel like sometimes shoes often don't deserve the hype. As you guys know, I was not always the biggest fan of Jordan 1s, and I feel like Jordan 1s are often overhyped. My favorite pair of Jordan 1s are probably the Nigel Sylvesters, just because Nigel is a BMXer and I used to BMX, so I think that's really dope to see someone like a BMXer do a Jordan 1. That and like the Unions, I love the Unions, but these are really dope as well, and I like seeing Travis, I don't know, I just hope we see more collaboration with Travis Scott because I genuinely think the stuff that he's doing is a lot more creative. I like off-whites, and in fact, if you guys would like to see an off-white collection video and I can show you guys my favorite off-white sneakers, all the off-white sneakers I have, make sure you smash the like button down below. Also, if you guys want to see a sneaker collection video, 2,000 likes. 2,000 likes, I will film a sneaker video this month. I don't think this video will get 2,000 likes, especially since this is a sneaker video on my channel. And I don't know, sometimes sneaker videos do well, but if you guys want to see more sneaker content, you guys want to see like the off-whites, my entire sneaker collection video, I promise you guys, no sneaker collection is as diverse as mine. Like, mine's nowhere near like the best on YouTube, but I have a lot of shit that these other sneakerheads don't have, or I shouldn't even say other sneakerheads. Am I a sneakerhead? I mean, I've liked sneakers for like over a decade. I've been collecting sneakers for over a decade. I feel like I'm just not as knowledgeable as like, you know, a sneakerhead. But that being said, my collection is definitely more diverse than a lot of them, just because I used to BMX and I used to be into that kind of stuff. So my collection has shoes that aren't just like Jordans and Air Forces. I have a lot of Converse and Converse collaborations and just random stuff in my shoe collection that you probably wouldn't expect. So if you'd like to see that, like I said, smash the like button down below. If you guys like seeing like the little close-up of all the Travis Scott sneakers, of course, smash that like button. But most importantly, what you can do right now is in the comments below, let me know what your favorite sneaker is. I'm genuinely curious what your favorite sneaker is and why. Anyone who leaves a comment about what their favorite sneaker is and why it's their favorite sneaker, I'm gonna respond to it and just kind of give my opinion. So make sure you guys show love in the comments down below. Follow me on Instagram, TheStarlife, THESTARLIFE. And if you liked this video, of course, subscribe, turn on post notifications for future videos. Anyways, I love you guys. Thank you so much. I almost did my spiel again, but anyways, I gotta go. Peace the fuck out.